Kwanda. Okay. Mental health. I would like to make a statement. No dialogues whatsoever. As I converse alone, changing tones, we don't live forever. We are not our own creators, given a freedom of will. Nothing can seal our thoughts or what is felt by our hearts. It's easy to shine in the darkness. No smile is recognized when the light is bright. We are ill, emotionally, psychologically, perhaps spiritually. The entire fatigue has revealed itself unpleasantly. One by one, sign by sign, my body is going down. If I were to heal, take a break from everything, and I mean everything, work, friendship, and divorce myself to the corrupt world, explore myself before I die this unpleasant death in the form of stress and depression. I am dying. Been tested a few times. My blood is okay. My blood pressure is compared with a horse. Not that I'm participating in a race. I'm not healthy. However, I'm willing to heal. I've read stories about anxiety, stress, and suicidal acts. I've watched documentaries about the death of Pillman, Benoit, and Latino superstar. Now that I've realized I am a danger to myself, I do not care. I do have a career, potential to be the best man, a great son to my mother, supportive brother, a wonderful partner, and husband to my supportive girlfriend. A hope to the world, perhaps. However, I am dying. Did consult doctors. Still I crawl, fatigued and hopeless.